So have you hired any new people in your cleaning company?
I've hired. Yeah, and that's kind of the process that I'm doing. I use Mondays for interviews. I post the free ad on Indeed, and so
Mm,
I use Mondays as my days to um, interview.
mm-hmm.
Um, Last month I did something differently. At my library here in Tallahassee, you can rent one of the conference rooms for free. And
Yeah,
so I did a hiring event where I had people come out face to face. And so
good.
I did that and they were excited about that. So I got to meet people face to face, talk about my business, and a lot of cleaners came out. So it was a hiring event that went pretty good. But I'm still waiting to get, more stable with my people because I feel like if I can't get this locked in, then I'm going to go ahead and do 1099s at the beginning of the year.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So yeah, because you do have employees. So talk to me about your company culture. Like, what are you doing to make people stick with you and not go with somebody else's cleaning company in your city?
Well, I raised the hiring rate. I do an hourly pay. And so a lot of some of the cleaners that come to me, they're telling me that the companies that they work for paid them based on the job. They gave them a percentage of the job, but I'm
Right.
doing an hourly rate. So I raised my rate from 15 to $17 an hour. So
Okay.
that's attracting a whole lot of more people just
Mm,
based on pay. Um, and now I'm just having to go through the applications because a lot of people are applying for the position, of course, because it's $17. Um, and I'm just trying to go through those applications and separate the ones that have no experience, which I think that, anybody can learn how to clean if they want to, and
right.
based on the ones who come from different backgrounds. And some of the ones just don't have the quality cleaning that I'm expecting or that's needed.
Mm, okay. Well, let me give you a little trick because
Okay.
I heard you mention the $17 an hour, which is great. You do
Mhm.
want to pay people good, right?
Mhm.
But I
Right.
want you to think real hard about it not being about the money, right?
Okay.
Because if someone will stick with you and it's not all about the money, they'll stay longer. You understand what
Mhm.
I'm saying? When they
Okay.
when it's about something else, like maybe is that's why we talk about culture so much. Maybe it's the environment. Maybe it's how you treat your people. You understand?
Mhm.
Like maybe like when MLK parade come, y'all are a part of that. Like your team is marching in the parade, or y'all do some sort of cultural type thing about the environment that makes
Mhm.
them not want to leave you. They wouldn't leave you for an extra dollar. See, when it's all about the money,
Mhm.
you paying 17, if I'm paying 18, they're gonna leave you for me.
Right.
You better bet your bottom dollar they're gonna leave you for me because it's all they
Mhm.
all about money, right?
Mhm.
So we have to find ways to get people to stick and you pay them well, of course. You gotta take care of your people, but it's not all about the money. It gotta be something else that makes them stick with you and not go
Okay.
somewhere else, right?
Mhm.
So that's why we always we talk about company culture, 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 culture. Look at what the competition is doing in your city. Like
Mhm.
whoever the big time cleaning companies are in your city, look at what they're doing, seeing who has a culture, that you can kind of get ideas off of or whatever. Um, Being that you do have employees, you can highlight your employees, you know,
Mhm.
give them awards. And you can award them for
Mhm.
the smallest little thing, right?
Mhm.
And take pictures of it, videos, market that. That's a part of your company culture. You know what I'm
Mhm.
saying? Like Jane's been with us for 20 years or the last 5 years, and she got the most reviews on our Google page. Woohoo! Jane is
Mhm.
happy. She's holding up her reward that she got from you or whatever, and it's just making everybody else like, man, this is a fun-filled environment. I love working for her, man. I don't want to go
Mm-hmm.
nowhere else. I like working for
Mm-hmm.
her. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? Like
Right.
that's the energy you want your employees to give you. Like they don't
Right.
want to go anywhere else. They trust you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So even when it's slow, like I ain't gonna lie, this week right here has been the slowest week all year for us, right? But I don't have to worry about my girls leaving me though. Right?
Mm-hmm.
They're not gonna leave. They understand. They like, yeah, well, slow week.
Mm-hmm.
Christmas coming up, but I
Right.
know that Johnson got us, man. But damn, you know what I'm saying? Well,
Mm-hmm.
slow. We just wait. We wait on her.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Right.
it's something else about it. It's loyalty. It's all about what they decided to tap into. Like most of these people, they might follow us online. They might follow us already on YouTube or whatever. Um, and some of the people that don't know us from YouTube, they found us on Indeed, tapped into the environment, and they might talk to the other cleaners, and the other cleaners are just like, man, like I've been here for 2 years, man. This is the place to be. Like I ain't got
Mm-hmm.
to worry about this. I ain't got to worry about that. Like she treat us right,
Right.
reward
Right.
us, like you know what I'm saying. And they
Mm-hmm.
just don't want to go nowhere else.
Mm-hmm.
But just start thinking about something other than the money. You pay them good,
Right.
but work on that hard work. What's gonna get
Mm-hmm.
them to really stick? That's what's gonna get them to stick.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I'm saying? Hey, you know why you may be struggling in your cleaning company right now? It's because you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of losers. I'm sorry. I hate to sound harsh, but it's true. You need to be surrounding yourself with high-level cleaning business owners, okay? Now, I know. You may say, well, where would I find them at? Like, where would I find multi-million-dollar cleaning business owners that I can network with, okay? Well, I may have the solution for you because Clean Biz Network is doing it again. We have an event coming up February 28th, 2024, okay, all the way until March the 1st. All right, and this is a networking event that you will not want to miss. We have Debbie Zardon. She's going to be speaking on stage, and she always kills it. Along with my boy, Mr. Marquell Russell. He is the king of client attraction. You definitely want to stay to hear everything that he has to say. We also have Mr. Eric Coffey. He's going to be hitting the stage talking about government contracts for anybody that's interested in government contracts. You can network with him. Also, we got Carolyn hitting the stage, the cleaning business mentor. We have Raylan from the Hustle Network hitting the stage, along with DJ The Boss and a host of other speakers that's going to be there for you to network with. I mean, this is a networking event and it's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's hosted all by your girl, Miss Johnson from TENACITY Academy, and it's founded by AJ Simmons, the owner of Clean Biz Network. All right, so we will all be there, and you can network with me and all of my cleaning business buddies. All right, all of your favorite influencers, I guarantee you, will be in the building for you to just sit there and network and ask them all the questions that you want to ask, get their phone numbers, and really build relationships. That's what this thing is all about. Okay, because your network is directly connected to your net worth. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until February to start booking your tickets. Get your tickets right now. I'll see you in Vegas.